So we have a question for you. Which beverage do you consider the healthiest for you? We can visualize saying green coffee as the answer. Yes, you are absolutely correct. Even the researchers and scientists agree with it. One researcher says, "It's the healthiest thing I can think of to drink." Some other research also says that green coffee can improve blood flow and lower cholesterol. Green coffee is a superfood that can protect you from various diseases. It is loaded with antioxidants and has many health benefits for you. A review was done of many studies in the year 2013, and it was found that this miraculous green coffee prevents a range of heart-related issues. So with this, we can understand that green is good for your heart health. But this long list of benefits doesn't end here either. There is more to it. So let us get into the details and see what else this green coffee can do for you. Number 1, weight loss. Yes, here's your savior from the rising graph of your body weight. But a regular intake of green coffee can help you lose some of your extra weight. The egg in the green coffee beans works harder to cut off a few pounds. But the only thing you can do here is to cut off sugary drinks from your routine. Considering it as the good news, a researcher says, all things being equal, if you sub 1 to 2 cups of green coffee for 1 can of soda, over the next year you'd save over 50,000 calories. So, if you are on a journey to lose some weight, get green coffee aboard. It will slowly take a few pounds off your body weight. Number 2, improves brain functioning. Another benefit of green coffee is that it keeps your brain alert. You might have seen people in your office drinking green coffee. That is because the caffeine, amino acids, and L-theanine in this coffee boost brain functioning, making it easier for you to focus on your work. Apparently, it doesn't produce as much caffeine as normal coffee, which is why it is less harmful. Research has also shown that green coffee can improve your mood, reaction time, and memory. So, it is always a good option to replace your sugary drinks with this healthy beverage. Number 3, cardiovascular health. The journey of a healthy person starts with a healthy heart. And if your heart isn't healthy or you want to maintain your heart health, then you should add green coffee to your routine starting today, because it shows improvements in your blood pressure, therefore keeping your heart healthy. Number 4, regulates blood sugar. These days, diabetes has become a very common disease amongst us. The major reason behind this is our unbalanced lifestyle. But if you're aimed toward making your and your dear ones' lives healthier, shift to green coffee. The goodness of chlorogenic acids is believed to maintain blood sugar levels and increase insulin sensitivity in your body. Having green coffee regularly can lower the risk of having type 2 diabetes. Number 5, anti-aging effects. Other than being so miraculous toward your health, the green coffee is also generous to your skin. Antioxidants and free radical eliminators in green coffee make it a perfect ingredient for your skin. It promotes the regeneration of new skin cells, whereas it also conceals wrinkles and fine lines, making you look younger. Furthermore, it shields your skin from those harmful UV rays. So enjoy healthy and younger-looking skin once you are into this green coffee pledge. Number 6, prevents cancer. Yes, this delicious cup of beverage can also help you fight a chronic disease like cancer. Basically, green coffee is loaded with various essential nutrients and antioxidants. Together, all these things work to combat free radical damage in your body. Apparently, these free radicals are known to increase the risk of cancer in the human body. A few studies have also shown that chlorogenic acid in green coffee prevents the formation of tumor cells and the risk of certain types of cancer. Number 7, natural detox. Your favorite beverage, green coffee, also acts as a natural detox for your liver. It cleanses the toxins from your liver, along with cutting down on the excess fat and bad cholesterol in your body to keep you healthy for longer. So, take care of your body the right way with green coffee and see the magic happen in a matter of days or weeks, depending on your lifestyle. Possible risk and side effects. Number 1. Excess caffeine intake. It is said that an excess of anything is harmful. It applies here as well. When you are regular with green coffee, try not to exceed the limitations. It is suggested to consume only 1 cup of either black or green coffee a day to avoid excess caffeine intake. Number 2. Other side effects. The other side effects of excessive green coffee intake come with a long list of problems that can create a lot of problems for your health, such as upset stomach, increased heart rate, frequent urination, trouble sleeping, restlessness, and anxiety. As for the bottom line, we can conclude that green coffee is a superfood that can help you live a healthy life. It is not only rich in essential nutrients, but it also helps combat many chronic diseases. Its goodness works in almost every part of your body to keep you healthier. But like everything else, green coffee also comes with a few side effects or risks when consumed excessively. So try to consume it in a limited amount and avoid excessive drinking. Why wait further when you can start your journey to a healthy life from now on? So get your cup of this beverage and watch our other videos together. If you have any suggestions for us or any questions, please let us know in the below comment box.